together, and I hope you have enjoyed all sessions. And in this last session, I would like now to hear something from you, the audience, that how the entire LTC went on and what is your opinion about it. So I request uh, some of the participants to come forward and give a feedback. Uh, Mohini, yes, thank you. Uh, Mohini Madam is from St. Francis, Mohini, in the electrical department. And she is one of the first participants who had registered. Yeah. So, from behalf of SFIT, as well as from myself and the members who are attending from the SFIT, as well as from the other colleges, as well as from University and all, I would like to really thank the Darmatil College staff members and Sabi Madam and all of the people, because after a long time we have attended a course which is not online. I think I can see what? Yeah, it's audible. It's audible. So then we are, means whatever the people, some people are really very young, they may be accustomed to that online chatting, and then they may get accustomed with each other like that. But then many of us, when we met with each other, we really had now a very good bond with each other, which we have got. So that was really missing since from COVID. So after that, I have attended online courses, but then this is really a very, it is going to be remembered, whatever taught, as well as whatever our experiences in the given process. The starting, whatever the flow which has been maintained, and then the scheduling has been done, was really very nice. In that case, we are really what we can say, we are very lucky that we could hear so many good people, and then we have got very good knowledge from that. Now it is our duty to impart that knowledge to our students. Not only the knowledge, but we have understood how to teach patiently also. Okay, and then after sitting for a long time in this, for listening to the lectures and all also, we have understood how to listen carefully also. So both the things has been done very nicely. The visit also was organized very, it was very informative. Means even though it was LDC, they have given a very detailed and very nice information. And now even we also will be able to tell these things to our students, and we will be, we will always try to organize such kind of things. Even they have made us accustomed to the free softwares or the open source softwares which are there, like RedLabD and OpenDSS. So then now we don't have to be totally dependent on MATLAB or ELAB in that case. So if the students are getting stuck up somewhere, so then we will be able to tell them that these sources are available, you can use them and you can proceed further. So we are getting so many things from here. We are really thankful to you. Thanks a lot from all of us. Thank you. Now I request someone from Mitigation.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Subhashini and working in VJDA on an annual basis and recently joined in VJDA 8 months before. I really thank and admire this FDP session. It's a nice sort of AICTE program. And one more, our aspiring model, HOD ma'am, directed this program, made us to reach to this program. And thank you very much, ma'am, Swati ma'am, and all the staff of STC. And I'm really thankful to be a member of this program. But every day this program is very innovative, and the lectures are really fantastic. And not only from the IITx visit and also the training program for the faculty. After all, we are all students, and we every time we have to develop our knowledge. Otherwise, we can't survive. And even though if you are working for an industry, and as a faculty, our daily development makes the industry goes progressive and for and continuous and um, instantaneous ग्लोबल रिजल्ट्स के लिए हम सब साथ में काम करेंगे तभी कुछ कर सकते हैं. So I'm from industrial background, but really I'm enjoying a lot in VJTA. VJTA every day work culture is a pleasure to me, and I have been fascinated and influenced a lot in VJTA organization. But because of that, our hierarchy are very wonderful persons. And apart from that, I'm really fascinated by Anil sir, Anil Kulkarni sir's the program that was non-stop 4 hours program. It is very precious. Every single sentence from his lecture is commendable. And apart from that, the starting days, Somani sir, so, and your guide, PhD guide, Soman sir, he actually the right way of learning knowledge. I think अभी मैं तो 50 years old हूँ. मैं almost हमारी career खत्म हो गया, retirement days आ गया. But thing is, where I have mistaken in my student career. What kind of mistakes I did? Really, ऐसा है कि नींद में से कोई अचानक उठाई है तो ये मिस्टेक तूने किया, ये मिस्टेक तूने किया करके मम्मी डांट के बोलती तो वो मिस्टेक मुझे रियलाइज हुआ. अरे इतनी दिन हम टाइम पास कर दिया क्या टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ खेला है. इट इज नॉट. We have to recollect ourselves. ये अभी मैं विजय आने के बाद मैं ये सब भूल गई हूँ. मैं एक बच्चे की मम्मी हूँ. ये सब नहीं. अरे मैं कुछ तो पढ़ना चाहिए. I have to prove myself. ये एक पैशन है. I can say टेक्निकल नॉलेज में बोलना है तो मेरी बैटरी चार्ज हो रही है उधर जाते. विजय जाते थे मेरा होम प्लेस जा रही हूँ ऐसे फीलिंग हो जाती है. I don't know. Even at I come back also every time I used to think for that. So I have to do something great because our ideas are like that. हमारे सामने ये लोग चलते हैं इनके साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं. It's a pleasure in reaching VCTA. I say it is my destiny. I feel I don't know. आपको कुछ तो funny लग सकता है एक woman ऐसे बात कर रही है and all. Really I'm feeling that I'm a robot. मेरा काम रह गया है. मेरा काम कंप्लीट करना है. ये कंक्लूजन मुझे निकल रहा है पता नहीं. So really I feel great in working with such a good team to understand ourselves and what is our next step. And being an engineer, every time you have to be attentive, you have to be logical, you have to be great. And देखिए समुद्र में अपनी एक छोटी सी वाटर बिंदु है. उसमें हम क्या है? हम खारा पानी के मीठा पानी की है नहीं. एक बार we all united where we are going. So how can we are we progressive? Why are we backward? And where is our state? That has to be always has been attentive in a sea with a water current. Water current made you never. You have to be stopped. So that way through waves की तरह हम आगे पीछे जाते रहते हैं. But thing is, our journey is endless. So we have to do something. It is a great program, and in this program they have covered industrial visit for us, training, and also the very excellent word. And all are friendly. ऐसे ये हमारी फैमिली जैसे लग रहा है. अब ऐसे लग रहा है कि आज खत्म होता रहेगा सब लोग दूर दूर जाएंगे हम दूर जाएंगे ऐसे एक अटैचमेंट की तरह. आई डोंट नो राइट फ्रॉम द विजिट ये मेरे को ऐसा ही एक माहौल मिला है. बट रियली our organization and the way you respect us, we are from VGTA. VGTA, I think that institution several years goodwill कितना कमाया है वो कमाई हमको दिखाई दे रही है because हम तो लास्ट फ्रूट्स है. पर लेकिन we are enjoying. We feel that we are also juicing fruits we can attach with VGTA. आई से ज्यादा सेशंस होना चाहिए so that हमारी क्लासेस बंद करके हम इधर आ जाए no yes. Not that so हम लोग अभी साउथ में से फर्स्ट टाइम इसरो से हम ये साल कुछ प्रोग्रेस दिखा है इंडिया की थ्रू आई थिंक अभी इंस्टीट्यूशन के थ्रू भी हम कुछ करेंगे एज अ फैकल्टी थ्रू हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट समथिंग एल्स व्हाट we couldn't construct since several years. At least for a couple of years, we can show something great through our students or through our results, something else like that. That's what I feel. Thank you so much. मैं तो और ही बोल सकते हो बात करती रहती हूँ. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Now I would like to ask Purvi to come forward. She is an alumni also. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Urvi Sawant, and currently I am lecturer in Vancouver Polytechnic. And I did PE from here in 2011, and then I joined here as a lecturer. So I would like to thank, of course, all the coordinators, actually of electrical department. Right from the beginning, even the inauguration of this program was very thoughtful because it was a clean energy. The program was inaugurated by watering a plant, and that's where I found it very impressive. And then when I went through the schedule, so every perspective of renewable energy, right from customer to maybe real-time simulation, forecasting, everything was covered in this, and all the speakers were very excellent and very engaging sessions. All sessions were very engaging because normally what happens in FDP is it is like a revision. Many part is already covered or already known, and then it's like a revision. But here, actually, all the days I was attending like a student. Because every time I was learning something new. So all the topics were very excellent, speakers were very good, and I finally like to thank all the coordinators and the electrical department of SPC. And finally, I would like to thank the whole candidates and all the participants in the program for making this program really enjoyable. And thank you for today's session, Bagma also. हे मराठीत जसं म्हणतात अंजन घातलं डोळ्यामध्ये तसं एक PhD रिलेटेड सेशन झालं आहे. So thank you very much. Now we have industrial representation also from the Maharashtra. I would like to call upon
hello everyone, my name is Sushil Longde. I am working as an assistant engineer telecommunication at Maharashtra SLTC, Delhi. So, being a telecommunication engineer, I know this is an mainly electrical background, right? But I was looking for something, at SLTC what we do managerial stuff. And at the same time, being a telecommunication engineer, I was also working at telecommunication things like URD, DSM, PMUC. So, and also I'm working at the REMC. So I was looking for something which I can relate to SLDC, the way I can, the kind of work I do at SLDC. So I'm glad to say that the first session delivered by Quincy sir, then visit to WRLDC. The control room was not new, but yeah, it was a quite informative session for me. And yeah, some electrical concept I was difficult to gain because I'm not from electrical background. But I would like to thank Smita Swati ma'am because she has given me some references like you can refer some NPTEL lectures and then you can learn power system. At SLDC we have executive director Jodikar sir. So every single time we meet Jodikar sir, his vision is like he always say you are not a telecommunication engineer. I would like to make you a power system engineer, power analysis you must be able to do. Now I'm going in that direction because being a telecommunication, I am actually fetching data from the substation. So what kind of data I'm fetching? I'm fetching the status of circuit breaker and isolator. So in order to understand that data, I must know the power system as well. So in that way also, this FDP was very helpful to me. So I would like to thank again Swati ma'am, Pimple sir, and all volunteers. I saw today he was reading something over here. So he was also, because every single time in the back end, volunteers are, something, yeah, because no one gives credit to them. So being a lecturer also at COEP, I have observed that. So thank you, volunteers as well. And last but not the least, no, I must say the food was very delicious. I have enjoyed thoroughly. So thank you so much for that. Yeah. And thank you, Varsha Shinde ma'am, our executive engineer RMC startup is over here. So thank you ma'am for taking us over here. So it was new thing, every single time working at office and taking the feedback from the substation, doing that thing. So we were in a loop. So we got something different. Yeah. Thank you so much everybody. Thank you. I would like to welcome Lisa.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisa Khan. I am from Father Steel Ordnance Institute of Technology, Vashi. So I just want to state that we all are lecturers or teachers or professors who are working in the institute. What I can say is I've been teaching renewable energy, energy storage and microgrid. Conceptually, we are all well aware that what exactly we have to teach to students. But here when we came, we attended this FDP. In every session, what I improved as a teacher, as a candidate participant, I got to know that how exactly things work when we talk as an electrical power system all together, put together as a real scenario. Apart from that, we've also seen in the visit that we went, over there we just got a glimpse at how exactly things are working out. There are people who are continuously working in different shifts. And though we sleep properly at night, but there are people who are working and keeping an eye on how exactly every state or every corner is receiving electricity. After that, I would like to thank all the faculties, teaching and non-teaching staff, also Atal, because they have helped this organization to arrange this FDP. So all the best and hope you organize such FDPs in future. Sure, and we will definitely participate. Sure. Thank you. Thank you. SPIT. Sir, yes.
Good afternoon. Myself is Varun Kumar Mishra. I am from Thakur College of Engineering and Technology as an assistant professor in Electronic Computer Science Department. I was registered in Atal. This is a green technology. That is not my background, but just I attend this FDP and getting some knowledge is related to electrical. And I also thank to Swati ma'am. Such kind of FDP is organized in future also. We definitely. Thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else would like to come?
Good evening everyone. My name is Priyanka Udmate and I am from BJP. As I am not from the electrical background, but from day one, all the things which were explained, they were understandable to me. Yes. And there were so many core electrical things just उसके अंदर बहुत electrical का समझ में नहीं आया, but the overall things they were understandable to me. And the speakers were really very nice and it was really very interactive session because of which I came to know about new things. At least in this area also there are things which are really in deep and very interesting also. Means I am from electronics background, but the things will not be that much understandable to me. I thought that at the first, but it was not like that. It was really interesting. Whatever sessions I have attended, they were really very interesting. And I also hope to attend such abilities again. And I will be interested in that. Thanks so much for all.
Yes. So thank you all of you. Now coming to the last vote of thanks, like officially closing. closing the sessions and everything. First, of course, I would like to thank AICT for selecting our course, shortlisting our course, and giving us this opportunity under Atal FDP scheme, sponsoring scheme. Also, I would like to thank organizational head or principal, Dr. M. Mani, electrical department head, Dr. Sangeeta Dainde madam, for all the support and encouragement. Then I would like to thank our stores, first of all, Mr. Torane, from where we started our FDP preparation, and then IT support, then all the organizing committee, Rachita madam, Agita madam, continuously being here and handling all the documentation. I thank Chaman sir for handling full section. I thank Vaidyanti sir for all the video audio arrangements. I thank co-coordinator Dr. Pinjay, without whom and without his support, I would have not conducted this FDP at all. Because from the day one, I mean, chasing the participants was the biggest challenge, I tell you. And he really had wonderfully. I mean, thank you so much. Without his support, this was what impossible. This was impossible. Then I thank all my students for the entire supported inauguration function as well as at the valedictory function. Although they are busy with the exams, and I'm really very sorry for that they had to give some time for this preparation. But thanks. And then, of course, I thank our non-teaching staff. Come forward. Yeah, put here. Because these people are there at the back end always, behind the curtain. So, Vinod, Tanvay, uh, Shivani, and Shaila. So, give them a big hand. They were there continuously supporting me in all activities, everywhere they were with me. So, thank you so much.
आमच्याकडून सेवा काय करायची राहिलं असेल तर क्षमा करा.
Yes, and last but not the least, you all, the participants, mainly you were consistently, continuously sitting for continuous 6 days without patiently, without a single complaint, and you made this FDP a grand success. That is what I can say. You interacted so much, and you made it very interactive. So thanks from my heart. And yes, we will see you all again in the next FDP. Thank you very much. फोटो प्लीज बंद फोटो कडे एक क्लास आपण फोटो घ्या इथे जमेल ना